Alrighty guys, welcome back. This is going to be a very important video. This is going to explain how you could make thousands and thousands of dollars using Polarity ATI and how you can kind of use that within the analysis we've been giving in the Discord. Okay, so our analysis has been so on point in the Discord lately, it is absurd. So we're just going to be going over today. Okay, we'll look at yesterday maybe a little bit as well. So today on ES, right? I give these zones out, these levels out every single morning, and we look at Polarity ATI every single morning. And we got this nice dip. Well, nice dip throughout the whole day, right? And then right when the first FOMC news comes out, boom, we have our 4580 level that was given out this morning. We bounced right out of it, right? So how can we play this, right? We move closer to this level, we click regression short, expecting every time we've been bouncing in this or touching this zone the past couple of days, we have been bouncing right out of it, right? So expecting regression short, we're getting sellers into it. Boom, you get a fill and we pop out of it, okay? Hoping that you get a fill, obviously. If we bounce out, you could arm trend long, right? Now, again, right before the 230 mark where there was the FOMC speaking, we dip down. We touch 4580 to the tick, right? So arming regression short on this little sell-off right here, expecting a pop out, you can make huge gains, okay? And once we get this huge pop out, obviously, you know, trend mode on that way up, but playing regression mode here and here, that's almost a guaranteed 2 wins, okay? Almost a guaranteed 2 wins. Then, obviously, you don't really want to fade this momentum, right? You don't really want to fade the momentum up here. But generally, these supply zones and these key levels we give up resistance, you know, you'd want to arm regression long. Which obviously, if you did arm regression long up here, you probably would have gotten a win or so. But there is a lot of upwards momentum. So, you know, ignoring this, looking at this one level we gave out, we pull back, we dump, right? We dump from, what is this, 4610 all the way back down to 4580. That's 30-point dump in like 20-30 minutes. Where do we bounce? We have huge sellers. As soon as we get close to this 4580 level, I'm arming regression short, right? Get a fill here, pop out. There's a win, right? We get a fill right here. Depending on if you got fill, it could have been a loss, but hoping you got a good fill, that's another win, right? Here again, boom, big sell, pop out, right? Key things is playing regression mode at key levels, right? This can be huge gains, huge wins, and you're kind of limiting your losses, right? You're going with what the market has told you before, right? So you're not just arming off of delta or price, right? You're arming off of key levels, data, and we look at this off of bookmap and many other things, right? But I've been giving these out every morning. If we look at yesterday, right when the market opened, look, this is 9:30. We pull into this 4580 level. This was marked out before the market opened, okay? This was marked out way before market opened. And we pull down, arming regression short or trend long on the open, boom, right out. There you go. Then where do we move up to? Move into supply, obviously chop around, but playing regression mode at these levels can make huge gains, okay? And this is what lots of the members in the Discord have been doing, and me personally, this just works great, okay? Now looking at the NASDAQ, we have also been killing it on the NQ analysis. So let's take a peek at yesterday, okay? So yesterday we had, actually, when was this? Yeah. So yesterday, or on Monday morning, we had this 15,489 key level marked out, okay? What happened on the morning? We sold off right down to this 15,489 level. This was marked out before the market opened. And boom, we pop right out of this. Arming regression short right near this level where you expect a bounce. Boom, wins. Okay? Then what happens? We obviously You only need one good win a day, right? So going to the next day, next day we rally up into supply. Right towards the end of the day, we are finding resistance at supply. You could arm regression long up here, expecting buyers to push us up, get a short fill, boom, win, right? Now, looking towards today, we had some demand zones plotted out, right? We sold off right through them. So you want to make sure that we're not just going to sell off right through it immediately, right? But where did we come down and start to find some buying? We dip down, start to already find some buying here, arm regression short, hopefully get a fill, pop out, right? Same thing, look at this. Right when FOMC was coming out, 2 o'clock. This is a 1 minute candle. We dip right down to this 15,535 level, boom, pop out. Can almost guarantee you would have gotten a fill down here, somewhere here, okay? Then we rally up. Where do we come back to? Rally up, dump down, boom, regression short, pop out. Most likely, 2 more wins right there. Okay. Missed our supply, but point is, playing regression at these can be key. Can be very, very key. And I highly recommend you do this. I highly recommend you join the Discord for the analysis. We do live streams every morning. It is key to success with Polarity. And we have a Polarity ATI course coming out very soon, okay? So keep your eyes peeled. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.